A drive belt in your car's engine is guided by a tiny wheel called an idler pulley. It merely shifts the belt's direction. It doesn't actually drive anything. These are small, straightforward components that are crucial to the smooth operation of your Serpentine belt. Take care of the small noises now to avoid having to pay for expensive repairs later. We'll discuss the typical reasons for idler pulley noise, how to identify the source, and what replacement costs to anticipate. But just before we start, please make sure you've subscribed to the channel. Bearing issues. Your car's idler pulley bearing problems are probably the cause of any chattering, chirping, or squealing sounds you hear. Bearings experience wear and tear over time, which can lead to loosening, seizing, and overheating. Every time you start your engine, this may cause an unwanted noise. Pulley old and worn out. Together with the drive belt, the idler pulley rotates continuously. After years of doing this repeatedly, the pulley starts to wear down. When this happens, the pulley will get scratches and other surface marks. The noises will start to appear at this point, though they won't be as obvious. Pulley slippage. When it gets sufficiently worn out, idler pulley slippage is likely to occur. The pulley will bind as a result, rubbing up against the engine belt. Consequently, the engine area will produce squealing sounds that will only worsen until the pulley is changed. Furthermore, it might also result in the wear and damage of other belts and engine parts. Serpentine belt problems. The alternator, water pump, and power steering pump are among the vital parts that your engine depends on for power. Nevertheless, a deteriorated or worn serpentine belt may slip and produce squealing sounds. The idler pulley, which maintains the right tension on the belt, may be the source of this. Regularly inspect the serpentine belt for wear indicators like cracks or uneven wear to prevent more issues. Consider taking your vehicle to a dealership service center or independent repair shop to have the belt replaced if you notice any problems. Pulley damage. If the previous reasons for idler pulley noise are ignored, the part will eventually break completely due to damage. The pulley will begin to fracture and disintegrate gradually. The serpentine belt will begin to tear or break entirely as a result of this domino effect. You will experience numerous engine issues such as stalling and overheating if this occurs. In addition, there will be a louder squealing sound that will be continuous and bothersome to everyone in the car as well as those nearby. Replacement cost. Your driver belt's tensioner pulley replacement will typically cost between $80 and $200. The labor will cost between $40 and $110, and the new part should only cost between $40 and $90. The auto shop's additional taxes and fees are not included in these costs. In general, the cost of doing this replacement work is not very high. You cannot afford to put off replacing this component once it wears out because the engine's drive belts depend on the idler pulley. Hope the information is helpful to you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.